welcome to my plants channel. Today I will update the garden here. Before we just we change two style. Now the last style that we change, but we have three kind of flower, three kind of plant with the birds of Heliconia, and then this is this is first we plant the Heliconia, and then here three line around here we make the garden corner. So two kind we put Dracena, and then this one the kind of the Monstera. So just first, and let's see with us. This is the we are starting, and then we are you will see to the beginning to the end, and then you will think and how I will do this project. So nice garden. Yes, we see with us. Yes. But then around here, yeah, around here we will replant the garden. But this one already, yes, this one we plant yesterday. Yeah, yeah, we plant already yesterday. Yes, here just replant. Yeah, and then we have over there and over there, there. So we need to change all, but first we have the one more style here. Yeah, the same, this like copy, and then when we put this first, and then we copy part to the other place. So now this one, just see with us. Yes, yes. This is new, that like new landscape. Here, and then see with us and how this is the beginning. Yeah, the beginning and the end you will see. And we take this plant Heliconia from there, and then take a small baby and then plant here. Yeah, see here Heliconia, and then see the middle of the corner of landscape we plant with the frangipani, but sure the big, but 6 months ago, 6 months, yes, one. Oh, this is Dracena coming, yes. I will show you how to plant with us, planting by the beautiful ladies and gentlemen. My bone. Yeah, we just start Dracena. Dracena, this is the red color, the leaf color, but with Dracena we have many kind. Green leaf, big leaf, small leaf, the kind of the Dracena. Yeah, đâm mũi bán đấy. Đau chỗ thôi. Đâm ca lụa tới cắt đi bán, tròn bán. Anh ăn cái vô ta cái sign plain đấy. Very nice. And we will this is one, the first, and then here plant there. Yeah, but this one, yes, we have 3 lines there. And then we have the cover with the small plant or shrub plant. Yeah. But this one first, okay. When we finish, I will show you. This is the first video, and then don't forget, if you want more video our garden, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more video every day. Okay, thank you, bye bye, see you the next video.